here at our office today, and it's a very exciting day. We're finally installing our Raymarine by FLIR electronics on our 23 Reef Runner. We have Chris and Ian from York, Maine, came all the way down to do this custom installation for us and teach us how all this stuff works. So throughout this process, we're going to show you how the installation happens and do tutorials on each piece and how it all works together. So we look forward to showing you the whole thing come together and hopefully do some fishing at the end.
No, there's not going to be anything. No. I know how to put all this stuff in a boat. I know how to help Mark fish.
What are you doing? You guys are.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Shelly. We're down here with center consoles only on their Reef Runner. We are doing a full Raymarine install on this boat. So we've got going on, we've got Ian down here. He's just starting to run the deucers. We've got a pair of RVX 3D bottom scan deucers. We've got a 1 kilowatt chirp transducer going in. It's all going to go to a CP470 sounder module. We've got a pair of Axiom XL 16-inch displays. See, we got them kind of marked out here. We're still kind of working on our layout and how everything's going to work. We've got our remote for the display, so you've also got your nice button control for it. So when you're bouncing around out there, touchscreen's a little sensitive. Nice to have that. So you're going to find a good home for that. Up here, we're going to be putting our, what do we got here? We got a RAY73 VHF we're going to put in, along with our Autopilot control. We've got Macris Industry lighting going on for the transom and under gunnel as well. So yeah, as we go along, we're going to see some more of this.
Basically, yeah, you're gonna have, you know, one of these, you know, that circle in there will be that hole, and then this deucer here, you know, just basically wherever I can get that to fit in, where it's not gonna get aerated from that.
Hey, what's going on? So we've got Macris Industries underwater lighting. These guys are going to be a little bit different than everybody else's here. We've got a very slim profile, very bright. They do these in 2 lengths. It's another one's about half this length. Case here, light placement's always key to make sure we get our most light spread. So we're going to tuck these up in here, kind of keep it close to center line. Should give us a really nice prop wash light show when we're out there in the evening. Oh yeah, look there, yep, they got some blues mixed in there, so low profile, very low amperage draw. How's that look, dude?
That looks beautiful.
Money? Perfect. I'll drop it down?
Yep. That is beautiful.
Ah,
Nice
I love
and-
beautiful.
Nice and flush.
Dude, you need that full collar, and then some.
All right, so we're gonna need to make some
Hold on,
ring.
let me just look here, 1 second.
Yeah, mock it up.
Alright, so let's start, please.
There you go. Of course.
See what I'm saying? The deuce is floating a little bit.
Yeah, so this one's just a gasket and then that nut. And then the anti-rotation is Just that flat washer and then the nut.
Nothing but open holes, man.
Like a glove.
Looks like you know what you're doing, man.
Yeah, I've cut a few dashes.
You just gotta drive the boat with one shoe on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at that, dude.
Money. Wow.
First shot, got it pretty close. Nice work, guys. That thing looks crazy, crazy. All right, so we wrapped up day one, and it was a much more productive day than we could have ever expected. They actually cut the holes for the transducers and installed those so they can start curing. They removed the under gunnel light so we can start installing the new ones, and also cut the holes for our Axiom XL Raymarine units and presented them in place. So everything looks amazing. Stand by for more coming day two. So we want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see our most recent video, click right here. And if you like what you're seeing, please do us a favor and subscribe right here. Thanks, guys.